We do have a very deep buy signal. We got a buy signal here on the WTX. Last time we got a buy signal on the WTX, guys, was right here. It was accurate. We saw this huge run up. So hypothetically speaking, with that indicator and the other indicators about ready to flip bullish, we should see a push up to that 618 area at about 2.5 to 2.8 for JASMY. The RSI is reset, ready to run to the upside. As you can see, we have all this room to run. We look at the MACD. The MACD is about, actually, we actually just crossed over bullish. We have not been bullish on the MACD since May 15th, guys. Almost an entire month we've been bearish on the MACD. Stock RSI is taking off as well. So in the short term for JASMY, I would be looking for a move up to the 382 at about 1.7. You break that, I think it's finally time for JASMY to start heading back up to that 618 area. Hopefully you guys were able to accumulate JASMY. We've been covering it for quite a while. I was lucky enough to buy this dip right here. It was a scary dip. I remember that. I'm like, oh gosh, this is definitely a risk in itself. But the main reason that I did buy that dip was, if I draw a horizontal line there, you can go all the way back to 2023 and see that there's a lot of prior price history there. It was a major support back here. It was a major resistance here. It was a resistance here, slight resistance here. So there was price history around that general area. So I was expecting it kind of to go down to that area. I did get in at like 1 cent. So I am in profit right now, and I do expect this thing to go much higher this bull run. If we had to put an estimate on it, we've talked about $1 plus. There is a dollar fib level if you draw from the high to the low. High to the low right here. The dollar is at the 1618. Actually, that's like $7. We're not gonna. I can't say not. It's very unlikely that we're going to hit that, but you do have a 1 2 3 6 here at $1.25, and realistically, I do think $1.25 is definitely on the table, or a possibility of this bull run for JASMY to go up here and then finish off this uptrend resistance area. If we draw, where is it at? I drew it the other day. Yeah, the uptrend resistance area right here. I wouldn't be surprised at all if we saw something like this for JASMY, and then we topped out, at $1 a little bit plus. But overall, in the short term, guys, all the indicators are looking primed. We've talked about it over and over. I know Jazzy's pretty much been consolidating since February 2024, but we are now in the final phases of the bull run.